Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TPTW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty savage day on this one, a very cruel day because it started off so nice. Price got the gap up, and then it was doing a fantastic job of gap up and then just going sideways, but consolidating very nicely at a higher range. The volume dropped off, which is always good during consolidation. And then all of a sudden in the afternoon, the bear showed up in a big way. And down it went, and just basically it did wipe away all those gains from not only the gap up, but then also quite a bit from Thursday. So overall, yeah, rough looking chart moving into next week, but we'll see if the price can try to stabilize out. But we'll first start with areas of resistance, and if the price can actually continue on back up, because let's give some credit's due. From where it was at its lows, I mean, it did actually bounce all the way back up there and was able to close right there. So it's not like it was zero strength on the bull's part. So there was a little bounce underway, but if that bounce continues, then the main area of resistance to watch very closely is going to be that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. And as of right now, that level is valued right there at right around the 0.046 mark. So 0.046 is going to be main area of resistance to watch headed into next week. In the event the price decides it wants to move back to the downside, as far as areas of support are concerned, the level that I would definitely consider a very, very important one is right there at 0.033. The reason for that, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to that level and then just continue on down, well, at that point, it would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range where, it had just was and, where the nice bounce to the upside began. And you don't want to see prices going back to where it was. I realize I state the obvious when I say that. But those are going to be the couple main technical levels going into next week. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.